You know, when you think about lighters, you probably think of something like this. Butane fueled and disposable. But for purists, there's only one lighter. Maybe a little smaller. Come on along, we'll go inside here and check out the Zippo Case Museum here in Bradford, Pennsylvania. Yeah, from the street lights lining Zippo Drive here to the Zippo car. Everything is lighters here in town. And of course, not to be outdone, we've got the Zippo Jeep. With a custom lighter cargo box. But let's go in and check out the museum. Now, this is a free admission, and it's also the flagship store for Zippo and Case products. Pets welcome. I guess I can go in.
Hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? We'd love to have you come along on more of our day trips, and it would really help us out hitting our goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We're a bit behind right now, and we sure could use your help to hit that number.
We open into the gift shop. Well, let's take a look at the museum here. And there's a flag made entirely out of Zippos. Some interesting Zippos here. There's an Eagles for all you Eagles fans. Now we've got to find the Steelers. For the 3 Chiefs fans out there. Of course, we're in Bradford, so the Bills are and here's the patent. And the famous Zippo guarantee. Replace it without charge any parts that may prove defective. And we'll see that a little bit later. Recreation of George Blaisdell's office. He was the inventor of the Zippo lighter. The original Zippo car. And then the replica that we saw out front there. Case cutlery was acquired by Zippo in the 1990s. Some of the other products that Zippo produced: golf balls, groundskeeper tools, tape measures, key holders. Vietnam era. A lot of the troops in that era personalized their lighters. They're often adorned too with unit crests. Some letters from military men. Thanking them from C.W. Nimitz, Admiral Nimitz, General Omar Bradley. Vandenberg. World War II, they were a very popular item. And of course, Hollywood featured Zippos. John McClane from Die Hard. Green Card. Hocus Pocus. And of course in the rock and roll series. I remember the slim. Punched cases and parts. We talked about the Zippo guarantee, and this is Zippo Clinic, where those lighters come back for service. It is Saturday, so they're not working today, but you can see the amount of space dedicated just to servicing that guarantee. That's some examples of some of the lighters that have been sent back for service and what happened to them. Train. We don't flatten it out. Here's some of the older case knives and cutlery. Not just pocket knives, but hatchets, sheath style knives. Yeah, you hear the weird noise back there. We'll get there in a minute. And we're heading back into the store on the case side.
I like that.
Well, brings us back through the museum here. Thanks for coming along today. Hope you enjoyed this little look back at Zippo through history. Some really neat lighters in there if you're into Zippos. And believe me, there are a lot of people that are. So we're going to pack it in from Bradford, head south, and see what else we can get into. Till the next time, have a great week.